I have been in the Army National Guard for 22 years.
31 years.
I have a total of 27 years.
I enlisted in the Navy April 1st, 1964.
From 1981 until 1988.
From 1964 to 1968.
4 generations of my family have served in the branch of military.
My great-grandfather served, my grandfather served, and I thought, it made me feel really good to be a part of that.
My father was my hero. He was in the Navy, he was a Seabee.
Both of my grandfathers were in the Army during World War II.
And I just felt like that was something that we, as a family, that's what we did, to do our part.
That one common bond, serving in the military, just makes us instant family.
I wanted to find something that would give me a greater sense of purpose in my life.
When I was serving in the military, what I learned was my self-discipline.
Inspiration and communication.
It's basically just to be disciplined and detailed.
And really how to perform under pressure. The military definitely taught me structure.
It really instills in you that you have to depend on others in order to get the job done.
Follow what's expected of you and preferably do more than what's expected of you.
I feel like I'm a good leader, but I'm always trying to get better.
That's really and truly has helped me in my Kroger career, knowing that as a team, you can do so much more.
How do I feel having served my country? I feel a sense of pride.
You put the uniform on and you stood taller.
I'm thankful for all the things I got from the military, absolutely from the bottom of my heart.
To have served my country makes me really proud. I'd do it all over again today.
Knowing that I did something that made a difference.
It's humbling.
I am quite proud of having served my country. More than anything I've ever done. And I'd do it all over again.